Hi, I'm Tom Freyberg, reporting for Aquatech TV here in Shanghai, China. I'm pleased to say I'm joined by Anna Velde, who's from the Dutch Embassy in Beijing. Anna, good to see you. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Very good.
Good.
So you've been here in Aquatech China for a few years now.
Yes.
Really tell us about how your ambitions are maybe changing as you visit.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is actually the first time that we are here and that we try to help and promote the Dutch companies that are active in China and that also are here on the Dutch pavilion. We think it's quite important to be here as a government as well to help them and show our support to them. So yeah, we keep on doing that because water is such an enormous challenge here in China, and we think we have quite something to offer.
Yes, and the Netherlands has a history of, from a geographical point of view, low-lying land, and
Exactly.
has lots of experience to share on flood protection. And we're hearing about the Sponge Cities program in China. So there's some opportunities to bring over that experience and knowledge to China.
Definitely, definitely. It is Sponge City, which is now being rolled out throughout the country, and many pilot cities in which we actually also already have some companies engaged. We do some government exchange on that as well, because it always helps to show our expertise and to link with the governments who are responsible in the end to make these cities sponge. And then we bring in our companies to help to evaluate that process. So yeah, I think very challenging program, challenging market as well. So it needs support from our government. But yeah, I think there's so many opportunities, and it's such increasingly big concern, big question here. So have to support that. Yeah.
Absolutely, no, I completely agree. It's seen as perhaps a bit of a challenge, and we're hearing that on the municipal market, international companies are perhaps being squeezed and pushed towards the industrial market. So what advice would you give perhaps Dutch technology companies that are looking to maybe start up in China or look to the market? What would sort of be your advice from living here and having experience here as well?
Yeah, I would definitely advise them to really first have a good screening of the market, a good exploring phase, so to say, and talk to a lot of the entrepreneurs that are already here, who are very willing to share their experiences because they see how huge the market is. Also like to cooperate a lot, which is really essential, because if companies don't do that, they don't grasp the difficulty of this market. And then once they're convinced that there is a market and they can play a role, then they should really start an office here, be based here. That's localize, very important. If you're doing your business just from Amsterdam and you think you can make it here, it won't work. So
yeah, no, I think you can't really emphasize enough the importance of having that international office to start partnerships and having a local representative.
Exactly.
And obviously the embassy can assist in all of that.
Sure, yeah, and where we cannot assist, then we have a lot of very knowledgeable consultants around us who can really, help to make the deals and help to advise them on all the small things surrounding contracts, etc. So yeah.
Absolutely. Well, Anna, thank you for your time. Enjoyed chatting with you and for your continued time here in Shanghai. So appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.